Okay. See over here. The given is what? Knee edge follower is there. Then cam lift, it is 40 mm. So here it is. I will draw a cam lift. It is for 40 mm. Then it is given what? Ki rise well, return well. So cam type is rise well, return well, right? And cam, it is rise for 90 degree, then dwell for 30, return for 60, and dwell rest of the dwell period is for 180 degree. So here it is total 360 degree. I draw a horizontal line in between this 360 degree. First it is rise for 90 degree, and I take a scale of a 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So here it is first 9 centimeter, it is given for rise period, right? It is for 90 degree. Then I will draw I draw a dual period for 30 degree, then return stroke for 60 degree, and last of the dual period for 180 degree, right? Then this rise period and return period, or rise stroke and return stroke, it follows what I am doing right now. I will draw a half circle, okay, half circle, and this half circle is divided into 6 points, right? 6 points. Then I will start from here. Here I will make as a 0 point or O point, right? And this divide, when I divide this whole circle into 6 parts. So right now I'm giving a name for each point. So here it is a first point. I will give a name as A, B, then C, D, and F, right? And then this rise period as well as in a return period, I will divide the rise and return period into 6 parts. Why I will divide this rise period and return period in 6 parts? Because this half circle, it represents a simple harmonic motion, and this motion I will divide this half circle into 6 parts. That's why I am dividing the rise period into 6 parts. If any student is divide this half circle into 9 parts or 12 parts, if any student is divide this half circle into 9 parts, then this rise period is and return period is also divide this whole period into 9 parts, right? Rise and return also. If any student is divide this half circle into 12 parts, then this rise period and a return period is divided into 12 parts only. Okay. So according to this, I'm right now I'm what doing? I'm dividing this half circle into 6 parts. That's why this rise period is divided into 6 parts. So it is basically in a 9 centimeter. So if I divided this 9 centimeter into 6 parts, then the one part is coming up to 1.5 centimeter, right? So okay, these are the points I'm dividing of 1.5 centimeter. Okay, and line is joined. Okay. Okay. Then this horizontal parts, I give a name as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay. And then using a roller scale, what I'm doing, I take this line, horizontal line, as a reference line, and we move up to roller up to A position, right? This A position. Okay. And then I'm drawing a horizontal line from A to 1. Okay. Only A to 1. Then moving to B position, and this B point, it is draw up to second number point. Okay. Then C point, this line I will draw up to third number point. Okay. Then D point up to fourth number point. Then E point, it is up to fifth number point. Okay, and F it is at the last. So these lines are cut at some of the points. So here it is cutting point. Okay. So what I'm doing here, also I'm giving a name. Consider as a A, B, C, D, E, F, then given then H, then R, then J, there it is K, and then there it is last point is okay, and line joined by these are these points. Okay, this S-like structure is come, right? Then after a rise period, we will going towards a return period or return. Same like this return stroke is divided into 6 parts, right? So I will divide this return stroke into a 6 part. Okay, and then I will draw vertical lines. Okay, and given name 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 30, right? It is I given a name for the vertical. Then same from previous, what I will take this line as a reference line, then go up to A position, right? Sorry, we will come from up to left, up to down. Okay. At this F point is first cutting at this point and then cut up to this point. So we first make a name L M. It is name is given to up to this. Then this E line, right? This line, it is extended up to a 8 number point, right? Then this line, D line, okay, this D line is extended up to this point, okay. Then this middle one line, C point line is extended up to this point, okay. Then I will come up to this. This H line is extended up to this. Then this A point, A line, wait a minute. This A line is extended up to the 12 number point, right? And these are the lines we will make a point. Okay, I give a name and join a points. Okay, join the points. Okay, according to this whole process, I'm drawing a follower motion using SHM of a rise period or rise stroke is for 90° and return stroke is for 60°, right? Then using this follower motion, we will going towards a cam profile. Okay. So always first we will take a point which representing a cam camshaft point. Okay. Center of a camshaft. This O point represent what? O point represent camshaft. Okay. Center. Camshaft center. Okay. Then first, always we have to draw a base circle. Always. So base circle is for 40 mm. It is for 40 mm. Okay. So I will draw a base circle first. Okay. So base circle. I will draw a base circle. Okay. This represent what? It is a representation of a base circle. I will draw it. This is a radius. Okay, I extend this line and make horizontal line for a return R is equal to 40 mm. Okay, and it is a base circle, right? Okay, then first condition in our numerical, it is what? The A condition, it is what? The line of stroke of follower passes through camshaft axis. Okay, so camshaft axis is what? The O point is a camshaft axis, right? And our follower is knee phase follower. So our axis of a cam follower, it is passes through camshaft axis, right? So it is directly at the upside point. Okay, so I will draw axis over here. Okay, and this represent what? This represent a line of stroke of a follower, right? It representing a line of stroke of a follower. This axis represent line of stroke. S-T-O, S-T-R-O-K. Line of stroke, right? The line of stroke is passes through camshaft axis. Okay, so this A condition is fulfilled. Then what if we this line I will take as a reference for dividing the rise period and return period, right? So using this black color line, I will draw a first rise period. Okay, the first rise period is up to a 90 degree, right? So it is 90 degree, then 30 degree. It is for dual period, and then 60 degree, right? And then rest period is what? It is rest period is dual period, right? So this is it is there. Then this line, this line. Okay. So what this period? It is 30 degree, right? And this whole period, it represent what? It is representing 180 degree. And it is what? It is a dual period, right? It representing a dual period, dual 30 degree and dual 180 degree, right? Then this it is a rise, okay? And this 60 degree, it is for return. Okay, so in the follower motion, here it is. In the follower motion, the rise, it is divided into 6 parts, right? Rise is divided into 6 parts. So we will divide this rise period here. It is also in a 6 parts, right? So 6 parts means what? In 90 divided by 6, it is what? It is up to 1.5. So we will divide this 90 degree into 15 degree each. 15 degree each. So this 15 degree, then 30, then 45, 60, then 75. Okay. So I will make the line from A position. Okay. Then this B position. The third number it is here. Then fourth number is, and the last number point is here. Okay, I will draw lines, and this line, these are the lines. It is cut at this circle, right? So the first point here it is. It represents a O point or 0 point. Likewise this. Okay, this. Okay, this O point. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is. I will mark as this point. So here it is also this dividation line. It's cut at a base circle. We will give same name as a 1 dash, then 2 dash. Here it is 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and 6 dash. Right? 6 dash. Right? Then what I'm doing, I take a distance from 1 here. I will take a distance from 1 to G point, right? And mark here it is. I put at a 1 dash point and mark a point. Okay, this markable point, it we find out the G dash point, right? Then second, I will go towards 2 point to H point. I take a distance from 2 to H, place at a 2 dash point and mark a point. Okay, this point is named as a H point. Okay, H dash. Then third number, I will go towards 3 point, third point to H point, right? 3 to H. Then I place at the 3 dash point and mark a point. Okay, this point name as a I point, I dash. Okay, then I'm going towards 4 to J point, 4 to J point, right? 4 to J, then place at a 4 dash point and mark as a point. Okay, but the line is going. Okay, so this point, it is J dash point. Then next, going towards from 5 to K point, then place at a 5 dash point and mark as a point. And last number is 6 to H L, then place at a 6 dash point and mark a point. Okay, so I will give a name as J dash, then K dash and L dash point, right? Then same. What now I will join a point using red color up to O. So I will start from O, then G dash, H dash, H dash, J dash, K dash, and up to L dash. Okay. So after rise period, we divide the return period into 6 parts, right? Why? Because here it is also in a return, here it is for in a forward motion, this return period or return stroke is divided into 6 parts, right? So here it is also, I will divide the whole body into a 6 points. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So
0.5.
okay. Then same. See over here. आता इथे बघून आपण करूया complete. Or I will put over here also. Okay. Sure. First, what we take a distance or first. Okay. So this blue color lines is cut at the circle, base circle. So we will give one name as a 7 dash, then 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash, and last number is 13 dash, right? So from, see, here it is from 7 to M. I will take a distance from 7 to M and going to up to 7 dash and make a arch. Okay, this distance is 7 dash to M dash, 7 dash to M dash, right? Then next I will go from 8 point to N point. Okay, and here it is, I will place at the 8 dash point and mark point. This marking point given a name as a N dash, right? Then 9 point to O point, right? I take a distance from 9 point to O point and place at the 9 dash point and mark as a point. This as this point name as a O dash point. Then here it is from 10 dash to, so here it is of P dash point, right? Given name as a P dash point, right? Then here it is of 11 Q point, right? Here it is 11 to Q point. Here it is of course in a 11 to Q point, which is the Q dash point, right? Then last number is 12 to R, and here it is of course 12 to R. Okay, so this point it is R dash point. Okay, and last one is S. So I join whole, okay, from L to M. Okay, then this L to N. Okay, these are the points. So at the last, red color shows what? Red color shows a cam profile, right? So only one point is remaining, what? Which is this half circle is, but only I remaining this. Okay, so from S to O point, also you have to draw this circle. Okay, so this whole red color shows what? It red color shows a cam profile. A cam profile. Okay, this red color shows a cam profile. Okay, so at the last also you have to write cam profile. Okay, so like this, our first or our cam profile is completed. Okay.